In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for work, school, or personal projects, creating a table in Google Sheets can help you present information in a clear and structured manner. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to open Google Sheets. If you haven't already created a new sheet, simply head to Google Sheets and start a new document. This serves as your blank canvas, allowing us to craft the perfect table together. Once you're in, we're ready to set up our table. You'll begin by highlighting a specific range of cells that will form your table. In this case, we'll be looking at cells A1 to F16. To do this, click on cell A1, hold down your mouse or trackpad, and drag all the way to cell F16. You should now see a highlighted area encompassing these cells. Now, with your cells highlighted, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Format. This is where the fun begins because we're about to add some color, literally. Within the Format menu, select Alternating Colors. This feature, as the name suggests, will allow us to apply alternate colors to our rows, which not only makes the table more visually appealing, but also helps in distinguishing between rows more easily. Once you click on Alternating Colors, a sidebar on the right of your sheet will appear, showcasing several style options. Feel free to browse through these styles and select one that best fits your aesthetic needs. Whether you prefer something bold and vibrant or understated and professional, there's likely a style that will suit your table perfectly. After selecting your preferred style, go ahead and click Done. This will apply your chosen alternating color pattern to the selected cells, instantly transforming your data into a neatly formatted table. However, we're not quite finished yet. Adding filters to your table can greatly enhance its functionality, allowing for easy sorting and organization of your data. To add a filter, head back up to your menu and click on Data. From the drop-down options, select Create a Filter. With filters in place, every column in your table will feature a small drop-down arrow, enabling you to sort your data in various ways, be it alphabetically, numerically, or by specific criteria. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a table in Google Sheets, complete with alternating colors and filters for better data management. This method not only enhances the visual appeal of your information, but also equips you with the tools to efficiently sort and analyze data. Enjoy exploring these features further, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for tuning in.